Okay. Keep doing what you're doing.
These are ring-neck doves.
Ring-neck doves.
Don, you tell your people what
I think
this
they're
is?
done. They figured me out, though.
Yeah, ring-neck doves.
These are ringneck doves, everyone. I'm Mr. Postman. This
Come closer. Look,
person.
they're up in the tree. Can we see them? Can you see them?
There's one. I see one.
And there's over there. Here, let's go back over here and show the sign. So there's a silver pheasant that looks like a skunk from far away, and a ringneck dove. And there's the pheasant. There he is. Hello, Mr. Pheasant. And then up there, remember the baby? Let me see if I can. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it to not focus. There we go. Now I'm gonna go in on the baby. Is he peeking over?
Looks like it.
No, he's just breathing.
Oh.
There's a baby in there. He's moving. I can see him moving. Can you see him moving?
Yeah.
He's moving.
Breathing.
Whoops. The fence. There's Tom. Tom's not in the bird aviary though. He's calling to them and making them say stuff.
It's working.
It is working.
Tom is currently making bird noises and working with them.
Can you see the lovebirds over here? Can you see?
Are they lovebirds over there? Oh, whoops. I don't know what I did to your camera. It wants to focus on the gate. There we go.
Can you see them, Joy?
Yeah, they're grooming each other. So sweet. So all of Washington at the aviary at the park. Can you say bye to your people, John?
Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video reaches your address. Mr. Postman out.